but he's got quite the knack for putting people's insides on their outsides. I'm sure you two will hit it off just grand.
Unlimited supply of screaming war meat, aka our followers. And they gave us a bunch of crazy high-tech guns.
And once they take the planet, they get Atlas and we got the vault, so you're left playing with whatever you got down there. You just keep doing you. Ah!
Need a new mag. Quiet.
Look at the maggot. Get that attractive bastard right there! Right, let's have it. I was made for this!
The body was worth it! Who wants to live forever?
My partner slash nemesis. He talked a big game, but there was a reason why he was down on his luck. He was lazy. I was hungry to prove myself. Then one time, we were wandering through the Casmarian quarry, and I fell through some brittle rock. Aslan calmed down. Nice knowing you, Leon. Snaps my stuff in splits. Well, I had to find another way up. And bam! That's when I found the vault. I guess the moral is, sometimes you gotta fall before you make it big.
If you didn't know, I host an interplanetary battle royale called the Underdome. But I'm not the only one. There's a celebrity bandit named Kilovolt who's hosting a live-streamed fight to the death in Promethea's Seaport district. Kilovolt's a total skis-ball, and he's giving Battle Royale a bad name. So we're gonna pull the plug on his show. We'll meet you down on the planet. Full disclosure, we used to date. After I left, he joined the Children of the Vault. A cult of mindless followers must have been a magnet for an insecure nothing like Kilovolt. Hey, Sugar. Moxie here, and I've got a job for you. Those Calypso twins live for attention, right? So I say we take it away by turning their own broadcast towers against them.
End of the road for you.
Agent is in the Mercantile Plaza. Malawan's got a weapons depot set up inside the mall, and I'll bet bollocks to bullets that's what he's after. The grand prize winner of Kilovolt's contest gets to sleep with the man himself. Now, there's plenty of reasons a woman might enter a battle royale to the death. Cash, fame, a gun that can melt a man's face off. But betting Kilovolt? That's no prize. Trust me. Oh, just a warning about Kilovolt. Every word that man says makes me want to pull the trigger, if you catch my drift. And we will, soon enough.
I was hoping you'd show up. You entering to win the grand prize, eh?
You know it. I've brought a champion to fight in my name. Besides, I want to draw it out. Let my circuits charge a little bit before we connect.
Whoa, my wires are tingling. I'm not supposed to play favorites, but I feel electricity in the air.
We love you, Kilovolt! Pick me now!
Welcome to Who Wants to Bang a Bazillionaire? The rules are simple. Each contestant has a token. Whoever gets 4 tokens first wins a single serving of yours truly. I'm talking sex stuff! 2 rounds if I've got the juice. All right, Voltheads, let the games begin!
You'll never make it out of this alive, Vault Thief!
While you do what you do best, I'll figure out a way to cut Kilovolt's cord for good. See you at the bar later.
Commander Sky Burial!
Whoever wins the contest is gonna get some post-coital ice cream. Guess Kilovolt's favorite flavor. Shocky Road!
Head game!
Now Moxie's crew making a splatter painting. Nasty. Things are really starting to heat up. But save some juice for the after party, eh? If you're just tuning in, this is Who Wants to Bang a Bazillionaire, where 4 contestants fight to the death to win one night with me, Kilovolt. We've got a great lineup of contestants today, including a Vault Thief fighting for the sexalicious Miss Moxie. Hey, Moxie's crew, I hope you're as freaky in the sheets as you are deadly in the streets.
He'll get his eventually. Just not the way he thinks.
Marie's gonna drink soup out of your skull! Oh, like a poncho!
Death comes for us all! But you first!
When I dated Kilovolt, he was just Kenneth. The breakup hit him hard. He started chugging battery acid to bulk up. I've got to find a way to dampen his charge, which gives me an idea. Bring Moxie a few batteries, would you?
Hungry for Vault Thief!
I like the way you work that trigger finger. Maybe I'll let you flip my favorite switch with it.
I know, he's gross, but pay it no mind, sugar. Eyes on the prize. Let him run his mouth now before we stick some soap in it.
On plan. And they want to tear down our gods and reduce them to nothing. Because the state won't be stick together. We do what we do because we are a family. And
Thought I was through surprising myself. That man is dangerous! Get him! This can't be how we saw this going.
Remember, folks, whichever contestant gets all 4 tokens wins a steamy night with yours truly. Looks like Roxy's crew's going toe-to-toe with Trudy the Toeless of Pandora. Who's missing 3 toes but still fights like a psychopath? I'm looking at you, Trudy. Looks like someone won't be getting a free coital foot rub. Best of luck next time, Trudy. One down, 2 to go from Moxie's crew. Can she go all the way? Yes, she can, trust me.
Don't feel too bad about taking out those other contestants. Anyone who competes to sleep with that man, well, they're a menace to society.
The darkness embraces me!
Laser or whatever!
Ganky knob. All out of boom.
All glory to the Twin God! And all glory to the God Queen's consuming touch! The great heretic herself, the Firehawk, has been drained of all her heretical power.
Delmore! Tyree!
Fight hard enough and you get the shaka. Yes, I know what it means. I regret it.
We'll kill that one too! way!
Oh, folks! Did you see that kill? Let the bullets fly, my competitors! Win and nothing less than ecstasy will be your reward!
I won't go easy! There! You look good, Zane boy!
Just more of it!
Hey, Moxie's crew, how about I put my positive with your negative? And let's see if we can make the sparks fly!
Calypso's!
Ignore him, sugar.
We need backup now! I'm gonna put you down, bitch! My feather shall be revealed! Tyrese Modern Team! I'm gonna set you! Think about my life choices! Stop, heretic!
Whoa, that was ugly. I can't take my eyes off you, contestant. You're like poetry in motion. If poetry was super deadly.
And the fight stake!
Get that attractive bastard right there!
And you're dead! Fancy that! I'm invincible! Let me into a stew!
The only thing better than the buzz you feel after a scrum from Kilovolt is the buzz you feel during.
Everybody keeps up someday!
We've got a new contestant, Jenny of Rain.
Looks like somebody let her out of her cage. This should be good. And Jenny's out for the count. All this bloodshed over little old me. I'm starting to feel a spark, Voltheads. 2 down, 1 to go. I'm not surprised Moxie's crew's coming out on top. That's her favorite position.
It's not, but I told him it was. Had to get mine somehow. His circuits are a little short. You catch my drift? If you can hear this, I need your help. I've been taken prisoner by this COV lunatic named Tumorhead. She wants to set up a prisoner exchange for her girlfriend, Bloodshine. She thinks I'm an Atlas soldier, but I'm not. If you help me, I'll make it worth your while. Serious. Head down to her hideout. It's down in the subway tunnels.
My needs cannot be negotiated! My existence is in my...
You know you want it. I'm the superconductor of the boot train. Choo-choo!
Just focus on the mission, sugar.
About that.
That dashing fook over there was making eyes at your sister! This'll be just for the crack.
Sparks! They're really making a mess! Get in there and show old KV you want that electric D!
Enough! Here comes dinner!
The swamp planet of Eden 6. According to her entry form, she likes crushing vault thieves and squeezing grogs. How about that? Sent the ground grabber from Eden 6 back into the mud. Too bad, I've got a jungle she could tame.
Real this time. Woo! Still got it.
Oh my! We have ourselves a winner. Make your way to my casa and we'll start on electrical fire.
Before you go up against Kilovolt, get me those batteries, would you, sugar? I've got to find a way to use Kilovolt's overcharged personality against him.
Ooh.
My kind of neighborhood. What a dump! Rats for pillows, rats for dinner. There was a saying, once you go rats, you go straight to the hospital. Or to sleep. But Dockside was where I met Aslan DeVega. That bastard tried to kill me plenty of times. But here's the thing. If I hadn't met Aslan, I never would have joined up with Atlas. And if I hadn't joined up with Atlas, I probably would have just ended up back on Pandora, farming turds.
Hey, what the hell is Moxie's crew doing? Get back to the Battle Royale!
Kilovolt's an electro lightweight, if you ask me. He won't go anywhere without that electricity shield of his.
Get back in there and fight!
My Nana used to say a man hides his weakness under his pride, and that gave me an idea. Just one more battery left.
What a show! Foxy's crew really knows how to make a guy feel special. The winner gets to show me their own face.
The great heretic herself, the Firehawk, has been drained of all her heretical power, even as our God-based power grows. Time to take goodbye.
Yo, Zane!
Fancy that!
Cold-blooded, calculating, and just so hit battery acid. Is my type.
I do it all over again!
Moxie's crew are real bloodhounds. If you win, I might have to put a shock collar on you. Don't worry, I've got a matching pair.
Don't let Kilovolt get under your skin, Vault Hunter.
Where the hell is Moxie's crew going? They're off the map!
I found a way to shock Kilovolt into submission. Find me, and I'll tell you how we're gonna yank the cord on Kilovolt.
I mean, when's the last time you cleaned it? See? So head to your nearest COV recruitment center for free brainwash. Following on our heels once again,
You're really going for it, huh? All these contestants just dying to meet me. I love it!
He's clearly compensating for something, and I know exactly what that something is.
Hey! That area's off limits! Where are you going? That's Moxie and I's love nest! I swear!
I never let him into my bar, for the record. He didn't satisfy my cravings, so I often drank alone. Hand me those batteries, sugar. In my spare time, I like to make my own toys. This one, it's a modification, something I cooked up in the bedroom. This little device should help us short out Kilovolt's defenses when you hand in my token. I think he'll find it rather shocking. Tell Kilovolt this is a token of my affection, right before you shoot him in the face. And anywhere else you feel he's so deserving, if you catch my drift. Shoot him in the dick. That's the drift.
That wasn't so hard now, was it?
Need some cover! I stayed for the murder! Organs are trapped!
My chili red to be friends with me! Oh! Ouch! I am the seer of the twin god! Get me, heretic!
Hey, where's Moxie? She's the lucky winner, not you! You're just some nothing vault thief!
My crew has the tokens. I'll be there soon, Kenneth.
Welcome to all our new viewers! You've tuned... into Who Wants to Bang a Bazillionaire, hosted by me, Kilovolt. I'm also the grand prize.
It's showtime. Give Kilovolt that token of my affection.
Poor Trudy. She'll be missed. Oh, Jenny. I had high hopes for her. Lena was quite a looker. Too bad. And finally, if you'll hand over Moxie's token.
Consider your circuits fried.
I just wanted to be loved.